Wonders of Nature, written by Shelley Bryan. Introduction. The world is full of interesting animals. Some animals look strange or have special skills. Let's look at some of these wonders of nature. Archerfish. Archerfish spout water at bugs. The bugs fall into the water where the archerfish catch and eat them. Trapdoor spider. The trapdoor spider lives in a tunnel in the ground. Its home had a hidden door made of silk and dirt. The spider hides in its tunnel to hunt. Beaver. Beaver chew through tree trunks. They make dams out of trees, mud, and stones. Chameleon. Chameleon change color to hide themselves. They even change color to show how they feel. Flying dragon. Flying dragon have skin on their sides that open like wings. They jump and build from tree to tree. Leaf insects. The body parts of leaf insects look like a leaf. These animals bend in well with real leaves on trees. Leaf rolling weevil. The family leaf rolling weevil rolls a leaf into a cone. She lays her egg inside the cone. The leaf hides and protects her eggs. Praying mantis. The praying mantis holds its front legs in the praying position. A mantis had 5 eyes to help it hunt for food. Moles dig tunnels to find and eat worms. These animals have tiny eyes, but they are not blind. Sea dragons. Sea dragons are small fish. They look like ocean plants. Their leafy parts help them catch food and hide from enemies. Conclusion. Interesting animals come from many shapes and sizes. They are all wonderfuls of nature.